In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a grain text, image, picture, or photo effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Once you have your text loaded on top of your image, the first way to add a gradient is to right-click your text and click Blending Options. Once loaded, you want to scroll down until you see the option Gradient Overlay and click Check, and you have different options under Gradient. You have numerous options that you can choose from the gradients to colors. In this case, if you want to experiment, you can choose a color, you can choose the gradient type, the percentage, and if you're satisfied, you can click OK. You have other options as well to dither, to reverse, or to align with the layer. You have different styles from reflected to linear to radical, angle, etc. And you can even choose the angle of the gradients on your text, and you can scale in or scale out the effect. If you want to be more precise, you can click Gradients, and under here you can change the color or the options. You can click down and you can click and change the color. You can even do the same on the bottom right hand screen. As you see, I'm changing the color, and then the bottom left hand screen I click on the color, and I'm also changing the color. A bonus tip is that if you want to add a gradient, click U on your keyboard, drag a rectangle, and then under here next to color click Gradient, and you can choose a list of gradients and drag it underneath your text layer, and then click under Layers, Overlay, and there you have it.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.